we create individualized investing plans for our investors.
Yeah.
You know, whether those investors are more educated and want to access the private lending market by their own knowledge, or if they're not as experienced in the market and want to just ensure that their funds are being put to use and secure. That's where at Erie Shores, we develop that individualized plan for our investors to make sure that we're hitting all of their goals. Having some funds in the higher yield portion and some funds in more of the diversified section allows them to generate returns for the entire year. What we were seeing is that there are gaps in an investor's returns where they may have received funds from a loan back, but they haven't been able to find a new opportunity to lend those out.
Correct.
And what that essentially does is it actually lowers their annual return. And our job is to ensure that that money is out for as much time as possible throughout the year so that there is no gaps in those returns for investors. If you're someone who is looking for a right opportunity, maybe doesn't have one yet or hasn't been able to find one recently, give us a call and we can set you up with our lending platform and see what kind of opportunities you might be willing to access. And if there are none that fit your portfolio, we're happy to put it in our mix to allow for that security and to allow for that hands-off approach.